Hey angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy, thanks for being here, and if you're not new and you've watched my other videos, then love you for coming back. Today's video is a bit more barefaced than normal. I'm looking really pale because I didn't fake tan because I thought it might affect what I'm about to do in this video, which is review the Hollywood Browzer. So if you haven't heard of the Hollywood Browzer, do you have Instagram? Because they are everywhere on Instagram, at least that's how I found them. So I know you're all gonna probably be like, you're saying this word wrong, and I might be saying this word wrong. I probably am saying this word wrong, but the Hollywood Browzer is an at-home dermaplaning, not sure which word it is, tool. And what is dermaplaning, I hear you say? Well, it's like a blade, so it comes like this. And basically what you do, you go along your skin. I've had this done in a salon before. I think it cost like £40 or something. This was £9 and it's supposed to last about 2 months, so that's really great. And what it is it goes along your skin and it gets rid of all your peach fuzz, your dead skin cells, all stuff like that. Leaves you hair-free, glowing, gorge, and it makes your skincare go in a lot nicer. It makes your makeup sit better, so it's just all around great. You need clean, dry skin, so I've washed my face. I have got on I filled my brows in a little bit of tinted lip balm and mascara, but nothing on my skin, as you can tell, because I look white as a ghost. Is this a Halloween video? Could be. How to look like a ghost. Anyway, so today I'm going to be using this. So clean, dry skin, you go in at a 45-degree angle. It's going to leave my skin feeling super smooth and gorgeous and glowy. And cheaper than getting it done at a salon. I took a little video on my phone earlier of my skin in natural light because I've got lights all over me right now, which won't be helping with how pale I look. So I'll add that in now just to show you. I tried to show the peach fuzz, like we've all got it, you know what it is. It's like hairs on your face, and I'm trying to show you a before and after. I don't think you'll be able to see my peach fuzz in this light, but let's give it a go. No, you could see it on the phone video, so I'll pop that in now. And then let's get going. So, oh, I forgot to say, I'm using this little pouch that I had jewelry in once. It's black. I'm gonna wipe, after I've done my face, I'm gonna wipe it on that. And so I can really show you. You don't need to put it on like a black thing. That's just me showing you so that it comes up. But you could just put it on a tissue or something, but hoping a lot of dead skin and hair is gonna come off my face. So let's get into it. So you need to pull the skin taut. I'm probably gonna grab a mirror to do this, which means I won't be able to pull my skin taut. Interesting. It sounds quite nice. I don't know if you can hear that. I feel like, oh wow, that is showing up on that black thing. I feel like this could be like an ASMR video or something if I had the right microphone. I don't really get hair here or on my nose or anything, so I'm not going to focus on those areas. Sorry that I'm looking up there, but I've got a little screen that I can look at. I'm mainly focusing definitely like down here, down the jaw. Oh my goodness, let me just show you the hair that just came off on that. Can you see all this hair that's just come off my face? Wow. Ew, you can barely even see it on my face because it's so light, I guess. Any like sideburn vibes that I don't want, let's get rid of those. It really doesn't hurt at all. Oh my goodness, the skin coming off is actually making me feel sick, but I guess better off. Here's me, I'm gonna go have a mirror. Are you though? Yeah, it's dead skin, better off my face than on. And I do exfoliate, so interesting that it's literally taking a blade to get rid of it. And they say that when all the dead skin and hairs are gone, that your skincare can really soak in nicely. So after this, I'm gonna put some serum on and it's gonna feel great. Let's do my forehead now. Interesting, don't really know if I get that much of a hairy forehead. Great for eyebrows, if you, apparently I do get a hairy forehead. Great for eyebrows if you can't get to your salon right now and you're not too good at tweezing. My skin just looks so smooth. Let's go right in between those brows, get rid of my mono brow that I've got going on. I'm getting a really itchy nose because there is hair flying everywhere, so that's fun. Oh, okay, we're gonna try and go. Oh, I don't know if I can do this without a mirror. Yeah, that's just absolutely not happening without a mirror. Because knowing me, I'll slice off part of my eyebrow that I actually want, but it was good for this bad boy, getting any hairs gone out of there. Thank you. Now we're gonna go in with the Tash. Ooh, on my lips, nice. I'm just gonna do a quick once over. But I just can't believe how soft my skin feels. It is outrageous. Also, all the dead skin coming off my face is beyond gross. Oh yeah, you're supposed to have been holding your skin taut this whole time, so whoops. Are you ready to see the levels of grossness that came off on this thing? There's so much hair on there and so much dead skin. Have you ever seen anything grosser? What? That literally makes me feel unwell. I cannot even comment on my skin though. I feel like you can kind of see with the light, like just how glowy and amazing it looks. No redness, no irritation. It doesn't feel like stubbly or anything like that. It's a baby's bum. The whole thing just feels like absolutely incredible. I can't get over it. I literally can't get over it. I tried to film on my phone to show you. I don't know if you can really see, but there is not a single hair on my face. It just feels so smooth and amazing. I literally can't get over it. It feels like a baby's bum. It cost me £9. Normally in a salon it would cost me way more than that. You can do it from the comfort of your own home, so I don't have to leave. Like, I feel like a glowing goddess. From when I had it done last time, when you put your foundation on, it just goes so smooth because there is no dead skin and no hair or anything causing any bumps or inconsistencies. Like, your skin is just flawless, gorgeous, yes. So I'm rating the Hollywood Browzer 10 out of 10. I can't get over the disgustingness of that black pouch thing that I was just putting all the hair and dead skin on. Like, what? Anyway, it's gone off my face. Let me know if you try it, angels. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this ridiculous video where my camera died halfway. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Love you, bye.